If you've also been waiting for a long time for an amazing Nokia smartphone on a low budget, then your search is about to end. Because Nokia is once again set to rock the mobile market. Yes, friends, today we're going to talk about the Nokia 7600 Ultra 5G, which is going to be the cheapest 5G smartphone in the entire world. But just because it's affordable doesn't mean it compromises on features. This phone will blow your mind with its powerful specs and stunning performance. So, in today's video, let's dive deep into the fully leaked features, price, and launch date of this beast. So let's start. Nokia 7600 Ultra 5G features. Display. This phone packs a 4.65-inch LCD display, with a 90 Hz refresh rate, meaning double the fun in scrolling and gaming. Plus, Nokia is bringing back its classic keypad system in this model. This is great news for those who want both a touchscreen and a physical keypad. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera. This phone comes with a triple camera setup, featuring a 100-megapixel primary sensor. That means next-level photography. Alongside that, there are 12-megapixel and 2-megapixel secondary cameras. And for selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front camera, ready to capture your best shots. Performance. Under the hood, this phone runs on Android 15, and at its core is the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 5G processor, ensuring smooth gaming and multitasking. Battery backup. When it comes to battery life, expect a massive 5500 mAh battery that will keep you powered all day long. And yes, it supports Type-C charging for faster refuels. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Well, friends, the Nokia 7600 Ultra 5G is expected to be priced around $100, making 5G technology affordable for everyone. And as for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet,